It's rare when someone picks up your product and wonders how it was made. Understanding how a design was taken through to manufacture, and uncovering the effort and the innovation required to turn raw materials into a finished product. It's not easy to do what you do, but that's where Autodesk Fusion 360 can help. Our tools enable you to move faster, supply better products, and change the world by giving you a single solution to design, validate, manufacture, and share your vision with the world. In addition to the core design, simulation, and manufacturing capabilities of Fusion 360, Fusion 360 for Manufacturing goes further, providing professional-grade advanced manufacturing tools and capabilities with a range of benefits to help you take your business to a whole new level. Fusion 360 for Manufacturing includes access to 3D design and modeling tools that are manufacturing aware to simplify and speed up your product development process. And when your design is done, you can then choose the best method for manufacture. Apply automated whole part machining strategies with optimized passes which cater for variable geometry. Modify toolpaths to delete segments or move start points without the need for recalculation. Recognize holes automatically, even in multi-axis, and utilize machine tool probes to quickly set up your parts and verify them with surface inspection to improve part quality. Unlock additional CAM programming tools to maximize your CNC machine usage with 3+2 and 4 and 5 axis simultaneous machining strategies. Access automated workflows for additive manufacturing of metal parts with intelligent print orientation and associative support structures to increase printed part accuracy. Utilize advanced nesting and fabrication capabilities to create optimized and associative multi-sheet layouts for sheet metal and non-sheet metal parts ready for cutting on your CNC machines. And easily access and manage the data that flows through the business, regardless of whether you're in the design office, on the shop floor, or part of an extended team. Cope with design changes at any stage of production, using pre-built workflows with complete visibility and digital approval records, letting you focus on innovation, not admin, enabling critical business decisions to be made rapidly to help complete projects on time and deliver higher value to your customers. In the end, taking a design through to manufacture is complicated, but you can do it seamlessly with Fusion 360.